Hi everyone, I'm the project manager of my team developers. Our project is to develop mobile application that helps almost 80% of UK population to recharge their mobile SIMs with the help of easy touch application mobile top-up. No matter what network the customers are using, every networks are adapted in this application. According to our analysis, in UK there are almost 10 mobile networks. This application is mostly flexible for international students, international workers, and for the person who are using pay-as-you-go SIMs. This usually used to recharge their credits either by card recharge, logging to particular mobile network website with register user ID and password. It's a long process. This process takes time and are limited, but our application mobile top-up is widely innovative and easy to use at any time, any place with one touch. We have a few competitors like easytopup.com, mobiletop-up.com, but they don't have a mobile application. Also, users are uncomfortable to log in each time. This generates a unique selling point of our application, Mobile Top-up, which is free and friendly application. Moving towards this application functions, future focus and its advantages, my colleagues would explain more widely and precisely. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As Riju said about a brief introduction about our mobile application, this idea has come up after conducting the survey with few friends and few university students. So we thought this is one of the much needed application in UK. And coming to our design and development, we're using ColdFusion 11 and ColdFusion Builder 3 that comprising the ColdFusion mobile platform. With this, we will create a software, a mobile application very quickly and in multiple platforms. We're using CFML language, ColdFusion markup language. This CFML facilitates conversion of CFML code into mobile-friendly HTML or JavaScript, and also enabling easy adoption of newer web standards like HTML5. Our mobile application will give some easy way to recharge the mobile credits. There are three important activities for this mobile applications. One is very easy and simple design and easy to use. We have a mutual agreement with all the mobile network in the UK, and also 100% secure transaction with PayPal. And rest everything my colleague will continue.
Hello everyone. As my colleague said that there are many advantages in this particular mobile application, Mobile Top-up. I am pointing out the main advantages which makes other mobile recharging methods a different form of our application. Mobile Top-up is a wide source of network which connects all the mother networks under the mobile application, which is a unique point in our project. I'm giving you the main advantages of our mobile application. First one is not need to visit stores for mobile recharge and bill pay. And secondly, completely secure transaction without any hassles. And no extra charge on any amount of recharge. And save your money using discount coupons and promotions. And recharge can be done with one-touch system applications. And payments are detected form of debit cards, credit cards, payment, PayPal and network banking, and get automatically refund of an unsuccessful recharge. And final one, check out operators plan and tariff easily within the app.
Now, with the innovations of the technologies, human life become more convenient, and that's our target. Our target is bring more convenience to user to recharge credit through online by using their smartphone. As you know, location time is also the disadvantage of some mobile network at this moment. They don't provide any app, so customer cannot top up their phone at midnight or in the middle of their trip. But our mobile top up give easy way to recharge. Customer don't need to go to the store or phone store to buy top up, because our app will provide all network service that you need to top up credit for your phone. There are just few websites in UK to top up mobile credit, but the website require time to complete the recharge because user need to log in and select the network. Whereas our app is just one-time login and it will automatically identify the network and complete the transaction.